Hi, in this tutorial I am going to share you how to convert from numbers to words, and also I'll show you how to get more than one column index VLOOKUP here. So we can start with one credit invoice here. I've just made the invoice here where I have a customer. I have created for the time being 3 customer here: A, B, C group, D, E, F group, G, H, I group. I'm using here the data validation. Create the data where I use the data validation. Here is the data validation. I have used here from K3 to K9. So in case if you want to increase the customer, you can use it. That's why I'm using here K9 up to K9. So we have a customer also here in the address where we have an address, PO box, phone and fax also. So what I need first, when I change the customer, immediately I want to change the whole address also. So I'm not using here the any VBA code anything. I'm just using here the VLOOKUP with the multiple column index. So we can start with VLOOKUP, and our lookup value this cell B3, and our lookup array, this is our lookup array. I'm just locking here. Then instead of one column I'm using here multiple column. It's 2 we need, 3, 4, also 5. So I'm closing the curly bracket. Then I need exact match, use as false. Then I got it in a horizontal way. We need it in horizontally, so we got it in vertically. So we need to change it as horizontally. So I'm using here transpose. So we have got it the full address. So while I change the, now it's changed. So we can change the customer. Each customer, when we select each customer, we don't want to enter the customer address. We can select, pick the customer name from here, then just enter it here. So in case we need the, we have an invoice here, credit invoice. I just entered the one item and the unit price, and where we have the, here we have the total value here. So here we can see 1711.25 as the total. So 1711 and 25 by 100 USD. So in case I change it as here 6, now total is 2041. I need to change the word also here. I need to convert this 2051 as in words. I don't want to enter it here. So what I'm using here, I'm just use this much code here in the formula bar. So if I want to tell this much code, it will be difficult. I'll tell you in a shortly. I'm using here only 3 functions. One is choose, one is left, and another one as mid function. So I can show you how choose function works. We have an example here. If you don't know the choose functions, we have an example here. So choose almost as same as VLOOKUP functions. So how it works: choose, then index, here open it, and here all the code for each quarter we have, for the 1 for first quarter, 2 for second quarter, and third, and so on. So I'm using here this one first, and the second one second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. Closing this, entering this. So we have here we have got it, how the choose works, we know it. Now we are using here the left also. So left function has two arguments, one is text, one is number of characters. So second argument is optional, so I'm using this one as, so we have got the leftmost character from here. This one is the leftmost character. In case I put 2, number of characters as 2, then we have got from left first 2 characters. So here I am using here mid also here. Mid, this is our text first argument. Starting number, where it start, I'm starting from 6. From 6, how many characters we needed? I mentioned has 3 characters. Closing the bracket. So you can see from 6, U is the 6th character. From U onwards we need 3 characters. UAR, we got it. So what I'm telling here, I'm using here 3 functions: choose, left, and mid function. Also we are using here if also. So what do you want to do? I am not explaining completely these functions. So I will keep this function in my Facebook page. So you will get my Facebook page link in the description of this video. So if you want to change this target cell here, because I am here using here E40 is my target. Once this is my target cells. If you want, just copy this full command, and if you want to change this cell, what you will do is, for example, use Ctrl F, and in case you are using other cell, I am using here E40. In case you are using any other cell, just use the find what, that cell you have to select it and replace the cell, so that you can change the cell. So just copy this full command, full code, and you want to change the cell name, just use find all, and replace all. So this is the way I am using this. I'm just copy this code in my description. There you can see my Facebook page, where you will find out this complete code of this functions. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.